What if I told you there's a YouTube channel pulling in millions of views per video, all without showing their face? And here's the crazy part. This channel is barely 6 months old and has already racked up 92 million views. Today, we're diving into another powerful AI faceless YouTube niche, one that's exploding right now. If you want to know how channels like this are blowing up so fast, keep watching. Here's the big question. Can you replicate this channel's success? Absolutely. But why this niche? Why not something else? Here's the secret. This channel isn't just another faceless YouTube project. It's a brilliant fusion of military fantasy, cultural storytelling, and national pride. Think animal companions, hybrid warriors, futuristic armies, and mythological spirits, all wrapped into one visually stunning concept. And that's exactly why it goes viral. If you want to tap into this highly shareable global niche, stay with me. I'm breaking down the exact formula step by step, so you can start your own channel and dominate YouTube. Step 1. Analyze the video structure. Take this video with 6 million views as an example. Notice how it's built from multiple scenes, each showcasing different combinations of soldiers and animals from various countries. First, screenshot the video from your computer using CapCut. Step 2. Generate scene and animation prompts. Open the downloaded video and extract keyframes that capture the essence of each scene, saving them for reference. Launch ChatGPT, upload these images, and input the structured prompt. By the way, you can join my Telegram channel for exclusive access to the prompts I personally use in these videos. Let ChatGPT process the input, and within moments, you'll have detailed scene and animation prompts ready for production. Step 3. Make the scene images. To generate high-quality scene images, you can use AI-powered tools like Pika, Leonardo AI, or ImageFX. Whichever fits your workflow. For this guide, we'll use ImageFX. Open the tool, click Create, configure the model settings, and set the aspect ratio. Paste the AI-generated prompt into the input field, then click Generate to produce the image. Repeat this for each scene, downloading and saving your preferred visuals for animation. Before we begin, I need to share something important. If you're serious about building a faceless channel like the creators earning $20,000 plus per month, I've created a blueprint guide to make the process easier and give you a clear, step-by-step approach to succeeding in this niche. The Animal Worldwide Country's Companions niche is massively untapped. Few are leveraging it on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, which means the first to act will dominate. I've put together a blueprint that reveals everything you need to know, a complete roadmap to building a profitable channel, a secret content strategy proven to work, high engagement prompts for viral videos, downloadable files, sound effects, materials, and assets, branding tactics to make your channel stand out. This exclusive guide is available for just $20, but only for those ready to take action now. Check the description or pinned comment before this niche gets saturated. Step 4. Transform images into animated scene. Now let's bring these stills to life using Haluo AI. Open Haluo, import your generated images, enter the corresponding animation prompt, and hit Generate. Within minutes, the system will render an animation ready for download. Repeat this for each scene until you have a fully animated sequence. There's a little secret that the guys who are doing this successfully have kept from the public, and that's that they're all using the exact same strategy to get monetized from their first video. Because you can actually find accounts that have been pre-monetized for YouTube on websites like this, and this means that the previous owner has already grown into the required milestones like 1,000 subscribers. So they're fully approved for the YouTube Partner Program. That means you can start earning immediately instead of waiting months to qualify. If you're looking for the fastest way to start making money on YouTube, I've linked a trusted site in the description. Plus, you can use the code AIAMPLIFY for a small discount if accounts are still in stock, since they sell out quickly. Personally, whenever I start a new channel, I get a pre-monetized account. This way, I don't have to spend months uploading content without making anything in return. If my first video goes viral, I'm already set up to profit, instead of missing out on potentially thousands of dollars. For me, it's just a smarter way to go. Of course, this isn't something you have to do. It's just a recommendation if you want to speed up the process. If you decide to try it, let me know how it works out for you. Alright, now moving on. Step 5. Edit the video. But before editing, pick a background music track. If you're uploading shorts from your phone, you can select music from the YouTube Shorts library. For long videos, I suggest downloading music from YouTube Studio. Now, open CapCut and import your materials. Drag the background music into the timeline, click on Smart Beat, and then add the video clips. Trim and adjust each clip, remove any watermarks, tweak the position and speed, add text, and maybe throw in a filter. Finally, export it and check out the final result. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Actually, this niche works great on TikTok too, with similar high engagement. You can make the video longer than a minute, and once you join the TikTok Creator Rewards program, you can earn from views there too. That's like getting paid twice for one video. Pretty awesome, right? So go ahead, get started now. If you need more inspiration, copy the title of the channel, head over to ChatGPT or DeepSeek, and have it analyze it for you. It'll give you prompts for specific themes and animations. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions or need tutorials on different niches, feel free to leave a comment. Oh, and by the way, do you know about a cool YouTube feature? You should definitely try it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck!